No flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Tell nocturnal friends thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on the left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stop your moves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Gazelle. With your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Oh! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, our lucky guest.
Oh,
And then I don't know the slot.
Me?
Whatever. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible,
Which button?
that's totally standard. Okay.
This one.
No.
That one.
The flashing one.
I'm really mad at this.
Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Great for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
We need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashflow! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Special thanks!
My snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Clawhauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you wanna grab a leg?
Detectives Hobbs and Wilde investigating the department.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market!
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter together and
The marsh is dried up? Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Carrot, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
What? Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bubba.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Say who did this?
Seriously? Oh, it was clogged with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
little Rogetcha!
Time to make like a tree, eh?
Bark!
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp Angels! Hi, it's your girl, Frou Frou. In Little Rogetcha, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference. You're looking to get iced?
Daddy! I like one!
Miss Frou Frou!
Let's look, lady!
Security conference.
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving together, Day Chief!
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his hat has a lot of flies? You should see his.
Wait! They're gonna ruin the finale! That's it! Nick, I've got it! I know who's behind this! Hey! Clawhauser! Beware of luck!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a day all about connection. Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
The reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep. Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale.
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, B.I.Z.
Oh, the best day ever!
Let's hear your sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Dream a dream. Make a wish upon a whisker as a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brothers.
Sister, put your paw in mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined. We raise our hearts and families.
Really?
So as we start this we are together now.
Hop on our train of thought. Toot toot!
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we got. It's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Neighbor to neighbor.
Predator.
So raise your voices, come on and say,
Whoa!
let's all unite for Together Day.
Here's Zootopia. Bye, everyone.
Don't forget your stuff or your phone and trot out the doors to your left. Please drop your glasses in the barrels. Have a great